Here at Scott Legal, we know the complex issues presented by immigration law. We are here to help you navigate the oftentimes difficult road in acquiring or maintaining your immigration status. We have new immigration videos every week. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell. You can also sign up for one of our webinars, or get a free immigration guide, by clicking the link below. Many clients ask, should I self-petition for a national interest waiver? Stick around for the answer. The national interest waiver is an employment-based green card category that permits self-petitioning. This green card category is granted based on a waiver of a job offer and labor certification, or PERM process. The waiver can only be granted if it is in the national interest of the United States. The national interest waiver falls under the EB-2 green card category, which means that applicants must have an advanced degree or its equivalent. Or they must be able to demonstrate exceptional ability in the sciences, arts or business. An advanced degree is a master's degree or higher, while its equivalent is a baccalaureate or foreign equivalent degree, plus 5 years of post-baccalaureate, or progressive work experience in the field. Once these requirements are met, there are 3 additional prongs that must be satisfied to demonstrate that you qualify for the national interest waiver. 1. You must show that your proposed endeavor has both substantial merit and national importance. 2. You must show that you are well positioned to advance the proposed endeavor, and 3. You must demonstrate that the proposed endeavor would be beneficial to the United States. For most green card categories, an applicant requires a sponsor, whether that be a family member or an employer. The National Interest Waiver Green Card gives applicants the ability to self-petition. This means they can petition as individuals. If a national interest waiver applicant has the option to self-petition or have a company sponsor them, they should consider their future goals.
What does it mean to self-petition for a national interest waiver?
The ability to self-petition means that an applicant does not need an offer of employment from a company in order to get the green card through the national interest waiver. Without the national interest waiver, the EB-2 category requires an employer to sponsor an applicant through the PERM process. Through this avenue, the employer must test the U.S. labor market to determine if there are any willing, qualified and available U.S. workers.
When is it better to self-petition?
Although the national interest waiver gives the applicant the option to self-petition, there is still the option to have a company sponsor the applicant. If your field of endeavor and future plans involve working for multiple employers, such as consulting work for a variety of public and private companies, and government agencies, self-petitioning may work best for you. This will give you the freedom to work anywhere in your field of endeavor, rather than be tied to a particular company. Another benefit to self-petitioning is that if you are working for a particular employer, and the employment relationship changes or ends, your petition will still be viable as long as you can show you continue to meet the national interest waiver criteria.
When is it better to have a company sponsor me?
If you are working for one company or organization and plan to do so for the foreseeable future, or if your proposed endeavor is closely tied to work for one specific organization, it could be more advantageous to have the company sponsor you. An example of this is medical research. Also, if you work for a very large, prestigious or well-known company, this could bolster the credibility of your application. Another potential benefit of having a company sponsor you is that they may be willing to pay for the legal and filing fees related to your green card process. For additional national interest waiver resources, including a free national interest waiver guide, refer to the links in the description below. You can also sign up for any of our free webinars. We are here to help. You can contact us by calling 212-223-2964 or by sending us an email. We look forward to hearing from you. You can also schedule a consultation by clicking on the link below, where you can choose a day and time that is most convenient for you.